Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 0x9 in Call of Duty. Let's get into it. First, initialize the Technical Studio Registry refresh. Open the Windows command prompt as an administrator and technicality type the command sfc scannow. Allow the system to technicality scan and repair any high-end system files that are triggering the 0x9 failure. This step technicality compares your local studio system files against the latest master versions, automatically replacing any technicality that doesn't meet professional standards. Next, execute high-end studio cache maintenance. Open the battle.net or Steam launcher and navigate to the game settings. Locate the option to scan and repair or verify integrity of game files and execute the technical purge. It removes the accumulated data weight from your high-end system, ensuring your studio build functions with professional speed during latest matches. Next, configure professional security exclusion logistics. A high-end latest workflow requires technicality in how your antivirus or firewall interacts with the latest game engine after a file verification. Open your Windows security settings and technicality navigate to virus and threat protection. Under custom scan, add the Call of Duty installation folder as a technical exception to prevent latest high-end scans from interrupting the launch. A clear path through security is a mechanical necessity for latest stability. It technicality prepares your studio environment to handle the intense data throughput required by the latest engine without technicality being flagged as a threat. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.